Hey everyone, it's Ben here from Sauna Marketplace. Today we are going to be checking out the X2 indoor kit from SaunaLife. We see a lot of these go into a workout room, in a garage, or a wall integrated into a bathroom space. We have a premium 8mm tempered glass door with brushed handle outside and wooden handle on the inside because that would get super hot, as you guys may have guessed. Comes with a wireless LED light kit that's super bright and easy to control. Let's go in and try it out. SaunaLife Experience Series Model X2 Indoor Sauna Kit was created by leading sauna designers and engineers as a premium quality, compact home sauna at a remarkable value. Featuring a full glass front and brushed hardware, with bright Nordic spruce walls, it perfectly toes the line between modern and traditional. It's got a super compact footprint at 59 inches deep by 57 inches wide and 83 3/4 external height, allowing it to fit almost anywhere. And it is comfortable for 1 to 2 people with a volume of almost 130 cubic feet. It includes the wireless backrest lighting and floor kit, and the walls come as pre-assembled panels for speedy installation. It really hits the mark for a compact and quality sauna and is almost impossible to beat at its price point. The X2 is compatible with a wide range of heaters, including the revolutionary Sauna Air series straight out of Estonia. Head over to saunamarketplace.com and book a planning session today to speak with an expert about the perfect sauna to fit your budget and timeline. Check out the SaunaLife X2 and so many more saunas at saunamarketplace.com, where we're all about feel-good heat. Book a planning session and we'll walk you through every step of the process to turn your sauna dreams into reality. All right, there you have it. That's our tour of the X2 from SaunaLife Premium Indoor Kit in Nordic Spruce. It's really nice in here. Looks a little small, but it's not bad, especially for 1 or even 2 bathers. Pretty simple to put together. It takes 2 people, maybe 4 hours once everything is out of the crate. Yeah, we love this sauna and we want you to love this sauna. So check out saunamarketplace.com. Thanks so much for watching this video and we'll see you next time.